AI kissing app IRMO. So here's a new app, it's like a new use case. It's called IRMO AI video photo generator. Right now it's in top charts. And yeah, in these apps, in graphic and design apps. And yeah, you can create AI keys. So here's different types of kissing: celeb keys, romantic keys, hot keys. So if you want to try kissing, then you select either group photo, or you can select two separate photos, then upload the first photo and then upload the second person photo. So that's basically what it is. And then you just upload these two photos and then you will have AI kissing animation. So yeah, pretty cool. Unfortunately, there is no free trial, and to do it, you need to pay. So $7 weekly at least.